Good evening, guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about the $250 cash bonus with Morgan Stanley Bank. It was targeted as an active E-Trade user, and I just wanted to review the requirements and offer with everyone so that you could be made aware. About the offer, this was available on the website. November 12th is when I received an email for the Morgan Stanley promotional offer for $250. There is a direct link to it, us.etrade.com/promo-checking.offer. It does expire December 15th. The terms and conditions say that you must be the original recipient of the offer email from Morgan Stanley in order to be eligible for the offer. Even though this link will bring you directly to it, you can sign up there. I'm not sure if it will work without the targeted email offer or not. The targeted offer has been active since November 13th, and it was in my promotions tab on November 12th. However, I didn't see it until December 3rd, 2024. However, when I logged into my E-Trade account recently and I scrolled down to the bottom, the offer was there with a picture of this nice person smiling for the offer. So I just missed it. About the offer continued, I am an active owner of several E-Trade accounts, including a premium savings account, a Roth IRA, and an individual brokerage account. It does offer free commission. Like I said, I was just trying to analyze the reason why it was targeted for the offer, and it could just be no reason. They just had a promotion and wanted to send it to everyone who was an active user. Recently, I completed a targeted offer with PenFed Credit Union for $250 and Chase's Total Checking and Savings for $900. Not to stray off topic, but I did sign up for PenFed about June of last year, and I just got an offer. I would say probably in July was when I got the offer for $250, and I did get the bonus recently there in November. Chase also sent me a direct email link for the $900 offer. Reviewing the crowdsource sites, others received the Morgan Stanley Private Bank offer at the same time as I did. So I just missed it in my email. I didn't check. So I just was kind of curious about the analytics for what triggers offers, to some and not for others. But I think I just might be overthinking it, and just that I have an active account with several, accounts with E-Trade is why I received the offer. Going forward, the requirements for the $250 sign-up bonus. The offer is check sensitive. However, when I clicked on the targeted email and opened my account, I didn't get an on alert notification letting me know an account inquiry had occurred. The offer is nationwide. The only thing I did receive is just to verify my information, address, phone number, where I live, date of birth, those types of things, but nothing out of the ordinary. The terms and conditions state to take advantage of the offer, you must be the original recipient of the offer from Morgan Stanley Private Bank. Just to reiterate that, and that's what I did. You need to open up a new checking or max rate checking account on etrade.com by December 15th, 2024. There is no minimum amount to open the account. However, the account must be funded within 30 days of opening. I deposited a small $25 deposit when I opened the account, and it was opened up the same day. Requirements continued for the $250 sign-up bonus. You need to make at least 2 qualified direct deposits of $1,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. Changing direct employer payroll direct deposit can be time-consuming. I'm using Chase Business Checking to send my employee direct deposits. Just to let everyone know, side note, if anyone's interested in opening up a Chase Business Checking, they do have a $300 sign-up bonus, which is active through January 5th of 2025. There's a QR code over here that you can scan with your smartphone if you're interested in opening up a link, or the direct link website address is listed here. You can get rewarded with a $250 bonus into your new account. The terms and conditions state Morgan Stanley will deposit your bonus into your account after the requirements are met. Reviewing the crowdsourced comments, many people got their offer, the $250 bonus, right away, within a few days of doing their 2 direct deposits. And that's what I'm anticipating doing. The terms and conditions say they do have 90 days. They do have 30 days to review your account after you've done the direct deposits. So like if you wait until the 90th day before that to do 2 direct deposits, they can review it within 30 days. But it looks like you get the bonus right away as soon as you do the two direct deposits of $1,000, and that's kind of what I'm expecting. It is FDIC insured. There's no transaction fees for online wire transfers, stop payments, and more. ATM fee refunds for the max checking account. There's up to a 3% annual APY offers there. Going forward, requirements. The cash bonus is treated as income and will be reported on IRS Form 1099. The account must be open and in good standing to receive the bonus. There is a monthly fee of $15, can be waived if you maintain an average monthly balance of at least $5,000 in the account on or after the second calendar month from account opening. So I'm thinking that as soon as I get the bonus, $250, I'm not going to keep it active for very long. I'll probably wait a month or two and then close it out. Reviewing the terms and conditions. I didn't see any language about early account termination fees or any clawback language. So stating that you had to keep the account open once you receive the $250. So I'm not going to keep the account active, and I feel comfortable closing it shortly after I receive the bonus. I'm not going to keep any money in there because a $50 monthly fee is kind of high. Going forward, for closing offers, E-Trade does have a current offer for $50 for depositing $1,000 for their brokerage account. You just need to enter promo code offer24 if you're interested in becoming a member of E-Trade to be eligible for additional offers. The $250 offer may work directly to the link, even though the terms and conditions state the offer is only honored if you are targeted by the email. So I'm just putting the link here if you want to check it out. If you are successful in signing up, you should get a follow-up email stating that you're eligible for the offer. So just putting it out there. Some people are going that route. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me directly at orig58@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment in the description. And if you appreciate this content, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thank you for listening, and you guys have a good day.